Hi everyone! Today we are going to a fantasy land of Bloomland, Oz. This beautiful place is only 40 minutes away from Toronto, and if you are looking for one of the most magical spring experiences in Ontario, Bloomland Oz at the Royal Botanical Gardens in Burlington is something you need to see. This limited time floral exhibition features over 25,000 flowers and breathtaking displays, all designed around the imaginative world of Oz. In this video, I'm giving you the full guide, what it looks like, what to expect, how long it's running, ticket tips, and whether it's actually worth it or not. So stay with me. Bloomland Oz takes place inside the Royal Botanical Gardens in Burlington, Ontario, which is only 40 minutes drive from Toronto. The exhibition is held indoors, which is a huge advantage in early spring or even now when Ontario weather can still be unpredictable. What is Bloomland Oz? The theme draws inspiration from the magical land of Oz, the imaginative world made famous in The Wonderful Wizard of Oz by L. Frank Baum. In the original story, Dorothy travels from a simple black and white world into a vibrant land full of color, wonder, and transformation. And this exhibition, with all those flowers and colors, really made it feel like you are walking in the fantasy land. The exhibition is seasonal and it runs from January till the end of April. For the tickets, you can check the official Royal Botanical Gardens on the website. I will leave the link below for you. Also, the tickets cost around $25. You can plan to spend around an hour and a half or even 2 hours there. It is huge and it's beautiful. You can also sit on the banks there and enjoy the atmosphere. So now we are entering the third hall, as you can see, which is actually my favorite one. Let's take a moment and just enjoy walking around. So the third hall is divided into 2 stories. This is now the first story, which is full of beautiful flowers. You can easily walk around and enjoy the atmosphere. are going to the second floor, which is even more exciting than the first one. Although it looks a little bit terrifying at the beginning, but it's definitely one of the best highlights of this exhibition. As you can see, there are so many details everywhere and they did a beautiful job here. Within this beautiful floral showcase, there is another exhibition called A Wonders Wild and New. This visual arts exhibition draws on themes from the world of Oz through the lens of contemporary woodworking, featuring 6 artists from across Canada, 6 nations, Italy and Spain, joined by members of the Ontario Wood Carving Association. It's breathtaking and it makes one stay there hours and think about the meanings. Also, there are different events going on there, like RBG After Dark, which is for 19 plus, and it's amazing. Also, there is a beautiful tea house outside the garden, indoor, and it's fantastic for having an enchanted tea event. The tea house is open from Wednesdays to Sundays, and I highly recommend to book in advance. Also, there is another small cafe within the exhibition center if you want to have something small or a snack. It's especially perfect for couples, families, content creators, anyone looking for unique things to do near Toronto, and spring day trips in Ontario. What I loved most about Bloomland Oz wasn't just the 25,000 flowers, it was the feeling of stepping back to my childhood. I'm sure you will love it, and I will leave the whole information in the caption. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more adventures in Ontario and Europe, and like this video. Thank you so much.